and welcome to Praxiprax. In today's video, we're going to be doing a bit of an unboxing. Now, I'm pretty much sure that you guys know that I recently got a Pixel 5 from Telstra. So part of that bundle I got included a free gift. So today I'm going to be unboxing the free gift because it just arrived this week by post. So if you're wondering what that free gift is, there you go. It's the Google Nest Home Hub Max? Nest Hub Max. That's what it is. Yes, I'm going to be unboxing this today. I never thought of getting one because this one costs roughly $345 in retail. I'm getting this for totally free, which is a sweet deal. So let's just unbox it and see what's inside the box, shall we? I hope you enjoyed the unboxing video, everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to all your friends. I will be doing more unboxing and more reviews. I will soon review the Google Pixel 5, which I've been using for almost a week now, and give my feedback on that. And once I set up this Google Nest Hub Max, I will also do a review in a couple of weeks to give you guys a good idea about how it is useful to me. So that's pretty much it from me for today. Until next time, it's bye from Praxiprax.